What's up guys, your boy Razor Smooth back again with another reaction video, man. You saw my other video, click click boom. Here's another one. And another one, click click boom, man. Click click boom. And the title of the song is Click Click Boom. Damn. With that being said, guys, let's get to it. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, man, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button. It's loading, guys. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Oh, so the old video. Hey, he comes in so smooth. He comes in so clean.
Цаг хугацаа, хүн мөн чанар, ахын дүүс, ирнэг
Damn, man. When they were still young, man. Damn, man. That was a serious video. Those guys mean business. That was 2011, man. And those guys are still killing it, man. I saw G, man. I think back then he was still a G. Guys, tell me down below, when did G change his name to Big G? I would like to find out, guys. With that being said, guys, I'll leave the link down below. Good video, man. You know, man, they had bars, man. It's an old video. I like it. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Razzie, Smooth, we live, gone.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.